everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. Yes, I love doing hauls. That means I get to go shopping or either someone has sent me something. In this case, it's both. So I'm going to start off with some phone cases from CaseNova. I selected the ones that I selected because they're so cute, and I got a couple for my daughter too. So let me show you what I got. This is the box that they came in, and it says your present. So it came just like this, and of course I got this one, and this one is the Hermes inspired one. Then I also got this one, is trimmed in gold. This one, my daughter has already gotten hers out, and I'll show you which one she got. She got this one, and this is the one I'm about to put on my phone because it is so cute, y'all. It has the pearls on the back, and that's the empty case for hers. And then I got this pretty green one, and she has this pearl shaped one. Oh, I'm trying to hide my nails because y'all know I've been working in the yard and paint and wallpapering and things like that. So I need to go get my nails and stuff done. I'll do that today because today is the final day of all my labor intensive work. And now this is another one of my favorites. And it is a pretty green. But what I like about it is you can cover your phone camera part. So that's really cool. You just slide it back and forth. I have my phone right here. It slides back and forth. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. And this, I have the iPhone 12 Plus. And she has the iPhone 11. So, or 12. But that's that. That one is so cute. It says camera protection. But this is the one I'm about to put on my phone. This is the one I'm going to do. Yeah. Has the little thing like that. And I really like all of them, but this is like my favorite. And they are a protector as well. So they're not just pretty. They have the shock resistant built in. So, and that one is really pretty, the orange. And it looks just like the picture online. So I'll put the link to these in the description. It's made by CaseNova. They make really good gifts, or if you just need a phone case, perfect. The other thing that I want to share with you all is, let's go ahead and start with some of the decor pieces and then we'll jump into the bathroom. I've had this for probably 3 weeks now. I was just going to share it with you all when I get ready to do this room reveal, and I'm sitting in the living room. So I got this one and from Gallerie, and it was an in-stock item, so it didn't take as long to come. It took about a week. It looks a little different on their website. The lid looked more closer to white, but it's closer to the yellow side of cream. So, but they still work really good in my space. I put the name of them in the description. I've had them so long, I can't remember what they are called. These are really pretty, and they do go with the coffee table ensemble, so you'll get a chance to see that in the upcoming video. So I got this plant from at home, and it was $30. I really love it because it looks real. It looks really real. And it's so pretty and wild. And I don't even like to trim my hedges or have them trimmed because I like the wildness of flowers and plants growing. So this one really stood out to me, and I felt like it was worth every bit of the $30. So I got that one, and it's going in the living room. I also got this little plant, and it came from Home Goods. It was $15, and it'll probably go, it can go anywhere in the house, but it'll probably end up in the bathroom because you know we got a room reveal going on in there. So that's probably where that is going. I got these gold chains from Home Goods. They were $16.99. I got a silver pair also. I think I shared it in one of my last videos. These were $16.99. I got the gold to go in here, of course. I purchased 2 similar items, and this is the third one that goes to it. They're all 3 different sizes. So I'll share a picture up top of how they look, and then this one makes the third piece, and this one was $16.99. So this completes that little set I want to style on my dining table. Okay, so that's all the decor pieces. Let's get into the bathroom items. So y'all know I've been working in the bathroom, and I've already completed majority of the bathroom. The only thing I need to do is decorate it. I have some pieces that I want to share with you all, so let me show you what I got and then we'll go over it. And this kind of let you know what colors I'm working on. The first thing first is these hand towels or napkins for your counter. These say guest, and these came from Bath and Beyond, and they were $20. Of course, I had a 20% off coupon, and it was for my total purchase, so I got 20% off these. And then I also got the napkins that have the W and the guest on it for our last name, and of course some more guest towels just to have some stocked up. And these were $3.99 and $4.99, but of course with the 20% off. Also on that day, I purchased a lot of these. I think about 4 boxes, and my daughter wanted one, so I got a total of 5. They were $10 for a box of 50. And they have black too, so they still have them. So if you have a local Bed Bath & Beyond, the sale is not online, it's only in the store. So I did see them at 2 of the Bed Bath & Beyonds that I went to. A box of 50 hangers for $10, and they are the slim ones. I like the slim ones because they don't take up as much space. So I got some of these, and I did get some black ones for my husband's closet, and I got the white for my closet. Bathroom. I'm not a fan of tie backs, but for the bathroom, I purchased these brooches, tie back brooches. I got these from Ross, and they were $4.99. It's 2 in a pack. You can see that. I also got these from Ross. It was $4.99, and it's 2 in a pack. And these are more like the clamps. They were actually clearance out. They were $6.99, and they reduced them to $4.99. I like these a little better, especially for the bathroom and how I'm going to use them. These are better. So I went hunting or looking for these, and I found some. And this is exactly what I needed. And I just purchased these because for $5, who knows, I could probably use them for something, maybe outdoors, because I haven't hung my outdoor curtains up, and these actually could work for that. So I might go back and get another set so they'll match. But these definitely could work for my outdoor curtains. So I may go back and get some more of these tie backs. Another thing I got was this bath set. It has the pillow and tub mat. Now I'm going to have some work done in my master bathroom, a little updating in there. So I want to make the guest bathroom a little more cozy and a little more comfortable for us. So I purchased this pillow and bath mat. I didn't have one in there before, but now I do. So I got this gray color. And plus, I like the gray because the white kind of, after a while, it started looking old. So we're going to use the gray in there. And this set was $7.99 at Home Goods. I've seen them on Amazon as well, and I just picked it up since I was in the store. That is that. This bath mat, it's a small one because I do have a regular rug in there, and bathrooms are small, so I don't know, but I just need something when I step out the tub to put my feet on. So it doesn't have to be out all the time, but you know, here it is. This is a bath mat, color white, and it's 17 by 25. It was $7.99 at Home Goods. It's really soft and pretty. So I also got this black tissue holder. It's going in the guest bathroom. Just simple, sleek, Real simple, and it was $14.99. I got this black waste basket at Home Goods. It was $14.99. I like the fact that it has a lid. I hate looking in the trash and seeing the trash, so this, I hope it does what it needs to do. It's really simple, nothing fancy, just, hey, something you can just throw stuff in and keep it rolling. I also got this little vase. I'm going to put a candle in it on the countertop or on one of the stands in the bathroom for the guest bathroom. It was $7.99, I believe. It has the little black face. I love it. It's so cute. Just something simple. So we're going simple, simple, simple. I also got this tray from Home Goods. It was $9.99. It's made by Bino. It has like black and white in it. I'm going to use this to put some hand towels, or I should say face towels, and maybe just rolled up. So I'm going to share these three with you all, and there's a story behind it. So I purchased these two first. This one was $3.99 and this one was $9.99. I purchased this one so I can use the lid to go on here because I wanted a black lid. And this isn't something you would want to spray paint because it would be a mess. So I purchased it and I swapped them out. I checked in the store, make sure it would fit, and that's how it looked. So I didn't need this. So technically I was willing to pay, what, $13.99 to get the look that I want. So I went back to Home Goods and found this one. And I love the shape of this one. It was $9.99 and it has the black on it. So I'm going to take these two back, get my $14 back, and we're just going to go with one simple pump. In my bathroom, I like the lemon smell, so I'll have a lemon plug-in going, a lemon candle, and of course lemon hand soap and lemon lotion. Y'all just don't know what it does for the bathroom, but try it, just try it, and I promise you, your guests will love it. I've even had my guests say, oh, I love that lemon you got going on in the bathroom. So try your lemon in the bathroom. I promise you, you'll love it, especially if you like lemons. And lemon fragrances, you can't go wrong. The bathroom reveal will be coming up. It's just really just refreshing it. I didn't do anything that was labor intensive, but it was time for me to do a little refreshing in there. I'll share a picture of my vision board for the guest bathroom at the end of this video for those of you who want to get a sneak peek of what my vision is for that room. WHousewe sent me some solar lights, and they asked me how many I needed, and I told them, and they did deliver. And I'm going to do a review in probably my next video, but I just want to show you all what we got, just in case somebody's interested. These are the solar wall lights, so they are motion detected activated. We have some that were made by them, so when they reached out to me and asked if I would do a review, of course, because we need some, I'm going to put a couple right along the walkway, and then probably a couple on the shed, because that really helps when you're walking towards the shed at night. The light comes on, and they really work because we have a couple by the pool, and they really work. I'm going to share with you all later where we're going to put these. And then they also sent, and y'all know my walkway, my backyard is pretty long, so they also sent the pathway lights. Yes, I'm going to do a review on these, and they gifted me these as well, and it's 8 in a pack. The ones I have out there now I've had for 3 years, and they're slowly, you know, fading away or getting old. So we did definitely need some more. We're going to be putting these in the backyard. So they sent me these. It's 8 to a box, and I have 24 of those. And I thought these were 3 to a box, but they're 6 to a box. So they actually sent us 12 of these and 24 of the pathway lights. So I'll be doing a review later on these, but if you're interested in these, I will leave the link in the description for now. And you know, we definitely need these right here, so it was perfect timing. And these are waterproof, heat resistant, frost resistant, and it has a 12-month warranty. So I'll share a video of where I'm going to put these, but I just want to let y'all know, just in case you want to get a heads up on purchasing these. They can be purchased through Amazon. All right, so thank you WHousewe for gifting us these solar pathway lights as well as the solar wall lights. They are definitely needed. Okay, so the last thing I want to share with y'all is this 10-foot outdoor offset umbrella. Now we have quite a few umbrellas, but we don't have an offset, and we really need one, especially for those areas that do not have a hole like in the table, or you don't want to take away from your center space. So this one is definitely needed, and let me show you. All right, so here is the umbrella. I'm going to unbox it outside on a separate video. It is a patio umbrella, and I believe the color we selected was a beige. Fruiteam, thank you for gifting us this 10-foot offset umbrella. We really do need it. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on, so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. And I'm also going to share a picture of my vision board for the guest bathroom, so be on the lookout for that, as well as a video for this space. And I'm going to do an unboxing of this offset patio umbrella, and we just got a lot going on. So y'all be on the lookout for these videos and turn that notification on so you will know when I post them. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.